Today we focus on one of the most vital organs in your body, the liver. Before we delve into the superfoods that support liver health, it's crucial to understand the risks associated with liver disease. Worldwide, liver disease accounts for approximately 2 million deaths per year, with significant causes being cirrhosis and viral hepatitis. In the United States alone, more than 4 million people are diagnosed with liver disease each year. These alarming statistics highlight the urgent need for preventive measures to protect this essential organ. Responsible for over 500 functions, your liver is key to detoxifying harmful substances, aiding digestion, and helping regulate metabolism. Given the crucial role of the liver, it's essential to support its health with the right nutrients. Join us as we explore the top 10 superfoods that are scientifically proven to boost liver health and enhance its detoxification capabilities. Superfood 1. Garlic. Starting strong, garlic isn't just good for warding off vampires, it's also fantastic for your liver. Garlic is high in allicin and selenium, two powerful nutrients for liver cleansing. It activates liver enzymes that help your body flush out toxins. Garlic also offers protection against liver damage and diseases because it reduces lipid accumulation in the liver. Superfood 2. Grapefruit. High in antioxidants, grapefruit increases the natural cleansing processes of the liver. The vitamin C and glutathione present in grapefruit provide a strong antioxidant base that helps the liver detoxify harmful substances. In addition, glutathione supports liver enzymes that play a crucial role in detoxification. Superfood 3. Beets and carrots. Both are extremely high in plant flavonoids and beta-carotene. Eating beets and carrots can help stimulate and improve overall liver function. These vegetables are powerful detoxifiers and are excellent for improving liver function. Superfood 4. Green tea. Known for its powerful antioxidants called catechins, green tea assists liver function and helps reduce fat storage in the liver. This superfood is not only good for your liver but also helps improve your overall dietary profile. Superfood 5. Leafy green vegetables. One of the most powerful allies in cleansing the liver, leafy greens can be eaten raw, cooked, or juiced. High in chlorophyll, greens soak up environmental toxins from the bloodstream and help protect the liver. Superfood 6. Avocados. A nutrient-dense superfood, avocados help the body produce glutathione, a compound that is necessary for the liver to cleanse harmful toxins. Regular consumption of avocados can help your liver rid itself of potentially toxic substances. Superfood 7. Apples. High in pectin, apples hold the chemical constituents needed for the body to cleanse and release toxins from the digestive tract. This, in turn, makes it easier for the liver to handle the toxic load during the cleansing process. Before we dive deeper, please take a moment to hit the like button. Liking helps YouTube show this video to more people, including those who may not have easy access to healthcare information. It also supports our channel's growth, allowing us to continue providing valuable health content to a wider audience. Your support makes a big difference. Superfood 8. Olive oil. Although it is a fat, olive oil is considered a healthy fat because of its many health benefits, including liver health. It provides a lipid base that can suck up harmful toxins, thereby taking some of the burden off the liver in terms of the toxic overload many of us suffer from. Superfood 9. Whole grains. Whole grains such as brown rice, oats, and whole wheat are not just heart healthy, they're also liver healthy. They contain high levels of B-complex vitamins, which help improve overall fat metabolization and liver function, as well as reduce liver congestion. Whole grains help maintain a steady glucose level by ensuring a slow and steady release of sugar into the bloodstream, which keeps the liver functioning at optimal levels without being overloaded. Including whole grains in your diet can aid the liver in its detoxifying roles and help maintain an overall balance in bodily functions. Superfood 10. Turmeric. Turmeric, often called the liver's favorite spice, contains curcumin, a potent antioxidant that is known to have hepatoprotective properties. This compound helps boost liver detox by assisting enzymes that actively flush out dietary carcinogens. Curcumin also promotes the production of bile, improving the liver's ability to digest fats. The anti-inflammatory properties of turmeric help soothe liver inflammation and protect against liver injury by reducing harmful oxidative stress. Superfood 11. Walnuts. Walnuts are a good source of glutathione and omega-3 fatty acids, both of which are crucial for liver health. They help detoxify the liver of ammonia and support natural liver cleansing. Walnuts also contain arginine, an amino acid that helps detoxify ammonia, a waste product in the body. Regular consumption of walnuts can improve the lipid profile of the liver and enhance its function. Superfood 12. Citrus fruits. Citrus fruits like lemons, limes, and oranges are rich in vitamin C, which helps synthesize toxic materials into substances that can be absorbed by water. Drinking fresh citrus fruit juices can help stimulate the liver and aid the detoxifying process. They also boost production of liver detoxification enzymes and help flush out carcinogens. Superfood 13. Artichokes. Artichokes are known for their incredible liver support properties. They help to increase bile production, which removes harmful toxins and digests fats. They also contain cynurin and silymarin, which have been shown to nourish the liver, protect liver cells from damage, and promote cell regeneration. Superfood 14. Broccoli sprouts. Broccoli sprouts are high in glucosinolates, which help boost the detoxification enzymes in the liver. These natural compounds aid in flushing out carcinogens and other toxins from the body, which significantly enhances liver function. Incorporating broccoli sprouts into your diet can provide powerful antioxidant protection, supporting overall liver health. Superfood 15. Red bell pepper. Red bell peppers are packed with vitamin C, which is not only great for immunity but also vital for cleansing the liver. They help to protect the liver from cirrhosis and can neutralize the toxins. Red bell peppers are also high in glutathione, which plays a key role in aiding the liver in detoxification. Superfood 16. Blueberries and cranberries. Blueberries and cranberries aren't just delicious, they are also liver superfoods. These berries are rich in antioxidants, particularly anthocyanins, which give them their distinctive colors. These antioxidants have been linked to several health benefits, including improved liver health. Studies have shown that regular consumption of these berries can help increase antioxidant enzymes and reduce liver damage and inflammation. Blueberries also help boost immune cell response and antioxidant enzymes, which plays a crucial role in liver health maintenance. Adding these berries to your diet can aid in protecting the liver from damage and support its natural detoxification processes. Incorporating these superfoods into your diet can significantly enhance the health and functionality of your liver. Each superfood brings its own unique set of benefits that aid in liver protection, detoxification, and overall liver maintenance. Remember, a healthy liver equates to a healthier you. Thank you for joining us today on HealthPops. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more health tips and insights. Have any questions or want us to cover another topic? Let us know in the comments below.